This is the fastest and easiest way to add custom fonts to your Bubble app. So go ahead to the plugin tab and install this plugin called Fonts tool, this one here. And then you have this element on your editor. Okay, just come to your editor and find Font tool. Click on it and just drop it on the page and preview it. And then what you want to do now is to click on this to upload all the fonts at once. So I'm just going to select everything, all my font weights, and then upload it at once. Just wait for a few seconds to get everything uploaded and ready. Okay, so now that your fonts are uploaded, this is what you want to do. You want to click on this icon here to copy the font's name and the CSS URL, and just head over to your editor. Go to settings, general, and then scroll to custom fonts. So just copy the name of the font and then the CSS URL here and click on add font. So you want to repeat same thing for others. So I'm just going to do it one more time. Okay, click on the font name and the CSS URL. Go back to the editor on the settings. So I'm just going to clear this one out since this has been uploaded successfully. I'm going to paste the font name and then the CSS. Okay, and then add fonts. As you can see, it is added successfully. Okay, so in case you are wondering where the files are hosted, they are actually hosted on your Bubble storage. So just go to data. So I'm just going to reload this one, and that's everything hosted nicely on my Bubble storage. So that's the easiest and fastest way to add custom fonts to your Bubble app.